So happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. In this video, this is how I do my makeup on Mother's Day. So I am using my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Medium to Santa Fe. So in this foundation, one pump is enough for your face. So I am using my Mary Kay concealer in the shade Ivory 1 to cover up my dark circles in my under eye area. And I baked it with my Benai banana. So I am using my Into It eyebrow palette. Just fill in sa akong mga pahak-pahak na eyebrow. So to prevent my eyeshadow from creasing and it stays longer, I use this Wet n Wild eye primer all over my lid. And for my eyeshadow, I use this It's Judy Time palette from BH Cosmetic. And I use this cream shade and I apply it all over my lid. Next is I am using this light brown eyeshadow and I apply it to my crease. And I use this chocolate brown shade and I apply it to my outer V and also to my lower lash line. So I use this cream metallic shade in my inner corner up to the center of my lid. So I just blending with the brush that I used earlier when I applying the eyeshadow on my crease. And using my Rebel palette, I pick up the gray and black color and I use it as a eyeliner because I want in this look that my eyeliner is soft. I use Taiwan false lashes and this one is very natural. It just gives a little volume to your lashes. Oh besh, perti na kong bogno aning false lashes kay sus, tugay kay mabilit. And don't forget to curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara. Back to the Rebel palette, I use this peachy pink shade and I use it as a highlight on my third eye area. And don't forget to wipe the excess powder that you have baked earlier. As always, I use my Hola bronzer by Benefit to contour my face. And ayaw jud kalimot sa ilong besh, malimtan pay uban. Ilong dili jud. Ana, ayaw ha jud patubo ng ilong besh. Kay special occasion man, I use my NARS Orgasm for my blush para pak na pak. In my lipstick, I am using my Maybelline Color Show in the shade of Neon Fuchsia. And I tap it with my Rimmel London lipstick in the shade Piccadilly Pink. So it's our time and here's the final look mga besh. So let's take a closer look. Excuse me po, napuling po ako. Jesus Maria y Jose. Grabe ka, besh. Pastilan, gibati jud ka, besh ay. Psst, lakaw na ay kay biyaan na jud karon sa imong mga itugan. Bye mga besh!